Snow a day today. Out here with the pups. Get down. Made them a little tunnel out here. I ain't never experienced this. But she smart. He said, Might be selling her tomorrow, y'all. I ain't want to do it, but. Sit. Sit. Go. Let me go in here, little tunnel. That's what they be playing there. This was something else. I ain't used to this. Yesterday was hot as now it's just snowing. It's crazy. It's the Alabama weather for you. Yeah, I might be selling my girl tomorrow right there. I don't want to, but I don't know. It depends.